In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to mirror your iPhone to your Mac. Now this is an iOS and macOS 18 feature. So I have this iPhone here running iOS 18 beta 2 and macOS 18 or macOS Sequoia beta 2. Okay, so what you want to do is simply go to your Mac, and that app is gonna get installed automatically as soon as you update to macOS Sequoia. So you can find it in Finder. If you go to Finder and go to Applications, then you should be able to find that app. It's called iPhone Mirroring. So just find it. Here it is right here, and you can launch it from here. Or for me, it's already in my dock, so I can just launch it straight from my dock. So let me go ahead and close all this. Now, if it's the first time you're launching this app, then you're going to be greeted with this initial screen. It says your iPhone on your Mac, quick access to your iPhone apps. You can view and act on notifications, and then there's no need to reach for your iPhone, which is the most important thing here. So let's go ahead and click on continue, and then it's asking us to unlock our iPhone. And on the iPhone, as you can see, we're going to be required to enter our password right away. So let me just go ahead and do that. And as soon as you enter your password, it's going to start the connection. Now it's saying iPhone mirroring is ready to use. So just go ahead and click on get started. So it's currently asking for the touch ID of my Mac or my password. So let me just go ahead and authenticate that with my finger or with touch ID. It's saying iPhone in use. iPhone mirroring will connect when the iPhone is no longer in use. So this will only work when the screen of the iPhone is locked. So if it's unlocked, it assumes the iPhone is being used. So let's go ahead and lock the screen. Then now the mirroring will start, and it asks, do you want to require Mac login to access the iPhone? Ask every time. Yeah, I'd like to choose that because I want this to be extremely secure. So I'll choose that. So here's my iPhone unlocked on a Mac, even though it's locked in the real sense of the Mac itself. Okay, and as you can see, I can be able to swipe around and use my iPhone. I can, let's see, I can go to the top here. I can click on that. That takes me to my home screen, and this little icon here opens the app switcher. So if you have any apps running in the background, they're gonna be there. So let's open some apps. You can open settings like that, and it's gonna pick up from exactly where I left it off on my iPhone. So that's settings. Let's close that. Now let's use this to go home, and then I'm gonna open another app. Let me open the App Store. There you go. Then I'll come back here and go back home, and then now let's try the app switcher. Well, for some reason it's currently not working. I'm not sure why, but generally the whole thing is working. Okay, now if you want to, you can move this little window around, place it where you want on your screen. Let's open a browser page. You can read articles straight from here. Just use two fingers to scroll, and you can check out, you can read messages, read articles, do anything you would do on your iPhone. Let's try and open YouTube. So let me just click on that, and let me look for YouTube. Well, need to find the YouTube app. Here we are. Let's find our video to play.
They made it illegal to even share seats, Lynn. Do you know it's...
There you go. So that works. So that's basically how to screen mirror your iPhone to your Mac or MacBook in iOS 18. Now, if you try to open a locked app,
Gibson Kamau Kuria Mutunga.
because in iOS 18 you can actually go ahead and lock apps. So let's try and open an app that is locked like this one. So now instead of using Face ID, it's gonna ask you for your Mac password or fingerprint. So let me just go ahead and authenticate using that, and it's gonna open my locked apps. So that's basically how to open locked apps when you're mirroring your iPhone to your Mac. Now, when you want to quit, all you have to do is just close this window. Just come to the top here, close that window, and the iPhone mirroring will stop. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.